PayPal app tutorial. How to use PayPal app for beginners. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at the PayPal app. Now, the PayPal app offers a bunch of convenience because it is on the go. You can actually run around with it and do all of your transactions on the go. It's right in your pocket. It's awesome. So it's a couple meg, and this is what the app looks like. Now, one of the things about PayPal is their desktop app and their mobile app actually have a very short run out time. So if you are leaving the app and going back in, it will continuously ask you to enter your password again, which I know for some reason it can be a little bit irritating if you're like sort of switching from app to app, and every single time you have to jump back in, you have to continue to enter your password over and over and over. But you are dealing with a bank account. This is your money, so their security levels are pretty high, and really for a little bit of inconvenience, it is a good security measure. On your main homepage, basically what it gives you is your most recent transactions. So right at the top over here, you can see that these over here, it says send again. So if you have a few people that you send money to on a regular basis, you don't have to continuously go and search for them. You can just tap on their names right over there, and you can send money to them directly and immediately. Then you have all your recent activity over here. So all of your recent activity you can see right over here on your homepage. One of the other things over here you can see is right at the top there is your PayPal balance. Another thing that they offer on this homepage over here is the send button on the bottom left, and this is basically how you can send to whomever you need to send funds to. So you're just at the right on the top of the page, you can tap in the name or an email address that's associated with that PayPal account, and then you can send money immediately. You can also create a request by tapping on the request, and right over here, again, the same thing. So you can tap in the person that you need to, or you can search or enter this email address, and over here you can now tap in however much you would need. So for example, we're going to request $10. You can add a message over here, and then basically it'll take you into a page where you can actually send that request. The receiver will then get a request for payment. Then having a look over here at the payment tab at the bottom, you can manage all your payments, all of the bills that you're paying straight from your PayPal account over here at the top in the bills tab, and then you can manage all your requests over here. There are more ways also to get paid on the PayPal app. If you're having a look at right at the sort of center, the last little area of the page, it says more ways to get paid. You can share your PayPal link. Somebody can use that PayPal link to actually make a payment to you. You can also send an invoice straight from your PayPal app, and then you can also use something called split the bill, and then that has some various features in terms of splitting a cost. The next thing that we're going to have a look at here is right at the bottom on the right hand side, there is a wallet. Now this is basically where you manage all of your funds. Now this is where you will see your bank cards and your bank, and also your online purchases preferences, as well as your automatic payments. Right at the top of this page here, you can see activity, and this is all the activity again like what you saw on your homepage. This is all your transactions that you've actually made on the actual PayPal account in question. And there you go. It's a rundown of your PayPal account. One thing that I must say is using PayPal is very convenient. However, because of it being a bank account and dealing with money in different currencies, different countries as well, there are a ton of different there are a ton of different laws and regulations and processes that need to be done. So when you're setting up your PayPal account, it's easy. All you need is a email address and a password, and you can create an account. You go through the process of creating your billing information and your all your other details. But the important thing is knowing how to link your PayPal account to your specific bank in your specific country. So if you want to transfer funds from your PayPal account into your bank account directly, you need to set that up correctly so that it is done properly and you don't have any inconveniences. As I have mentioned before, each and every bank, each and every country with each and every different currency is all different, and you'd have to directly speak to your bank to find out how to actually link your PayPal account to your bank. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to hit that notification icon so you don't miss another video. And we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.